Santa's brought me into this episode of the cleanup to clean his sleigh. I can't do that voice. Oh, do we just move into it now? I'll be Elfrey, but I can't do the voice. We're gonna be Elf Jeremy, and we're gonna clean Santa's sleigh. Let's go. Elf is still here. Elf is within, but I had to put this hat on because that one I can't see out of, and it's hot. But I'm still gonna give you all the advice that Elf left to clean your sleigh. Everybody knows when you're starting cleaning your sleigh, the first thing you gotta do is clean the glass. You can. SpaceX always providing. The compressor's taking too long to shut off, so we're just going to continue. It's probably not as loud for you as it is for me. Sorry, headphones users. Ho, ho, ho! It stopped. So today we came out to the North Pole for a very special episode. Me, Elfrey, I'm one of Santa's elves, and today we're helping Santa clean his sleigh. Most of you probably didn't. Everyone thought, oh, Santa has a sleigh with reindeers. Santa drives a BMW. Everybody knows that.
You got money. He got money.
First thing that you're gonna do when you're cleaning Santa's sleigh, sleigh cleaning is very different to car cleaning. Because cars are cars, sleighs are sleighs. They have different things. This looks like a car, but it's a sleigh. So the first thing you do is clean the glass. Everybody knows that on the sleigh, clean glass is the most important thing. Of course, we use this one. Even Santa uses it. Well, Santa gets it for us to use. Santa doesn't actually do anything because he's lazy. Until December 24th comes around and all of a sudden Santa has all this energy. But up until that point, we're the only ones that do everything. Me, Elfrey, Elfston, Elfington, and Elf Junior. And you wipe the glass nice and clean. This is the first step of cleaning any sleigh. Everybody. Oh, ho, ho. Elfrey, what are you doing here? Santa's here, Santa's here, Santa! Elfrey, that's not how you do it. You don't do that first. Santa! Oh my God! Santa got vibes, boy. Oh, Santa, I didn't know you were coming. Elfrey! What? Either do it properly or don't do it. Because you don't start with the glass. You don't start with the glass, okay? But I already started. Wheels first. Are they called wheels on a sleigh? Okay. Santa says we need to clean the wheels first, so let's do that. The first thing that I like to do when I'm cleaning the wheels is I'll get some nice Rain-X water repellent glass cleaner and a dirty microfiber towel. These are the best things to use to clean wheels. Everybody knows that. I'm cleaning the wheels. Oh, wet it first. Okay, apparently you have to wet the wheels before you clean them. So to wet the wheels, I always like to get my trusty foam cannon that has some solution in it. Most people would say, you connect this to the pressure washer, but you don't really need to. You can just do this, and that way, you don't waste any of it. I'm getting real sick of this elf. Because it all goes on the wheels. You don't waste any. Santa likes when you don't waste. I don't want to point fingers, but he's a problem. Santa lets me use his toys. Look, Elfrey's making it rain. He's a real problem. So now that we've cleaned the wheel, that hurts.
We interrupt this program to bring you a special report.
Well, we forgot to attach the mic, so we're gonna do a voice. Ow, look, I just came into the shot. I jumped in, so athletic. Probably telling you all about how good this shirt feels and my chest feels nice. We do a lot of decline work at the gym, so I guess it's paying off. Anyway, I think I'm supposed to be talking to you all about some Christmas deals we have going on in the store right now. It's our promo, so you know, we got some like up to 30% off wheels, 15% off car care and accessories. You know, we got 3 people at the end of the month that could win $1,000 cash. Plus, if you spend $100, you got to spin a wheel, and you could win different prizes like hats and shirts and all kind of different things. But sometimes you could spin and not win anything. So anyway, it looks like it's coming to the end of this part, so I need to hurry up and finish. Oh my God, look at that skip in the background. Now that we've cleaned the wheel perfectly and following the right instructions from Santa, I get to use his big sprayer rainmaker and wash it off. Bet you that looks clean on camera. Now that you've finished cleaning the wheels, well, this one, you can move on to the rest of the car. And the good thing is when you're cleaning the sleigh, you can move on to the rest of the sleigh. That's why I have my trusty sleigh cleaning apparatus. Some people call them brushes, but that's not what we use them for. And the good thing is with these brushes, you don't even need to wet it. You can come right in dry. You got the wheel brushes. He's gonna touch the car. He's gonna touch the sleigh. Elfrey, stop! Sorry. No, Santa, Elfrey didn't know. Santa had to send Elfrey to his room to think about what he's done, because clearly after many instructions, he hasn't listened to me properly. Santa's here to take over. So to properly wash the sleigh, you all see Santa's drip though? Santa's so drippy, bro. So Santa doesn't work on his own sleigh because you don't get to be Santa by working on your own sleigh. You know what I mean? But I'll just correct what that naughty elf was saying. When you wash your car, Santa's told you this a million times. Wheels first. Also, he said you only clean one, clean all four.
Oh, wow, Santa.
And if your sleigh has 4 wheels or 6 wheels, clean all of them. No matter how many wheels your sleigh has, even if it's a BMW sleigh, clean all of them. Then you can come and wash your car. Not with the wheel and tire or fender brush. You use clean bucket of water with your grit guard, your microfiber wash mitts, and you get Axiom car wash, either the wash and wax, or you get the graphene ceramic car wash, and you wash the whole car. You wet it down. If you want to foam it, you foam it, and then you wet it. This is how you wash your sleigh. Everybody's been washing sleighs like this from the beginning of sleigh invention, which happened maybe some time ago in the past. Okay? And then, once you dry your car with Axiom Quick Detailer or something else from Axiom, only Axiom and Axiom only ever, forever, always, then you get your drying towel, the Ride Company Liquidator, that's the best one, highly 10 out of 10 recommend. You dry the whole car, and then you get your Axiom glass cleaner that looks like this, and your glass towel that looks like this, and then you clean it. If you clean this before you clean this, and before you clean those, this is just gonna get dirty again.
Now I know how to clean your sleigh for next year.
Anyway, I guess I should probably go get some cookies. Does my beard look okay? Santa got a real drip. You see these spots? That brings the Christmas episode to an end, people. I hope you enjoyed it. Plus, remember, we got the promo running in stores until December 24th. Santa says that's your chance to win $1,000. Don't sleep on it. Spend $100 on spinny wheel, car care, wheels, tires, deals on everything, people. Make sure you're coming and check it out. That's it for this episode. Please, man, just let me get through the outro. Oh my God. You've already slowed down this whole process. This is taking 2 hours to do the thing. Santa wishes you all and the Automotive Art family a very, very Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays.
Holiday hoopy waddy.
Stay safe out there, people. We'll see you again soon. Peace.